Sad, but unfortunately true. If you're in pain and your stomach or head hurts, you'd probably tell somebody so you can get some help. But when it comes to mental health, there's a stigma that often prevents those in need from speaking out. CBS 12's Israel Balderas was at yesterday's Health and Wellness Experience, where encouragement between friends plays a vital role in recovery.
I know it's not my fault, but it's so sad because he's a good boy.
Away from the large crowd attending Saturday's CBS12 Health and Wellness Experience,
My husband is at his wit's end.
there was an important conversation happening among friends.
You feel, oh my God, like you're the only one.
Adrian's son was first diagnosed with mental health issues in his 20s.
He found that it was very hard to keep a job.
Now, in his 50s, the man that Adrian refers to as her little boy must take medication for schizophrenia under a court mandate in order to function in society.
We feel that we've tried to do everything, and yet we're like, oh my God, how much more is there to do?
Tragically, in addition, it's not an uncommon story.
For 30 years, Dr. Abby Strauss has worked in Boca Raton as a psychiatrist, and now he's the president-elect of the Florida Psychiatric Society.
This young man that this lady talked about is one of our children. It belongs to our society.
Dr. Strauss says that the latest data indicates 20 to 25% of the population, or 1 in 4 people, struggle with mental health issues. That's why several organizations, like the Mental Health Association of Palm Beach County, partnered with CBS12 to encourage those attending the Health and Wellness Experience to talk openly and without shame about mental health struggles at home.
The patient suffers and the family suffers. And a lot of good mental health work is to deal with the families, and so they can better handle the situation that this is pulling them into.
You must have friends to talk to. You must have a support group. That's the key.
For Adrian and her husband, their son's future remains uncertain. But today, there was peace of mind knowing others cared.
But he's a good child. Not a child, he's a good man.
He's your child.
He's my child.